I'm Trey.
I've been to the writing lab before, so I know how this works.
Great, okay. So what are we going to work on today?
I really need my paper proofread.
Okay.
It needs to be polished, it needs to be perfect, so if you can just look it over, that would be great.
Okay, well now, I can't proofread it for you, but we can look it over together and see what we find.
Well, wait, I don't understand though. I've been here and I've had people proofread my paper before and fix my paper, so why can't you?
Well, if that's happened before, it shouldn't have. We don't proofread papers here, but we can teach you to proofread your own papers. So, tell you what, why don't we start with the first sentence and we'll just start reading. Do you want me to read or do you want to read?
You can do it.
Huh. Conventionally, all mothers are full-time homemakers and only do other work in or near their home so that their child will never out of sight. Okay, do you see a problem there?
If I knew what was wrong with the paper, I wouldn't be here.
Okay, well, let's take a look. The problem is at the very end of the sentence, that their child will never out of sight. You see anything there?
Their child will never out of sight. Never be out of sight?
Exactly, right.
Can you write that down?
Sure.
So can we go a little bit faster? Because this paper's due tomorrow, so I really need to make sure I get through the whole paper.
Well, we'll go as fast as we can, but we're going to go carefully, all right? But around 7 decades ago, women, including mothers in European countries, entered the workforce together with men. Entered the workforce together with men. Today, due to the high cost of living, especially in big cities, it has come to see mothers working, whether as teachers, doctors, or even engineers.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Karen.
I'm Trey.
Alright, so I've been to the writing lab before, so I know how this works.
Excellent. All right. So what are we going to work on today?
So, I really want you to proofread my paper. It's due tomorrow. I need it to be perfect. I need you to fix any grammatical errors.
Okay. All right. Well, now I can't proofread it for you, but we can look it over together and see what we find. All right?
So why can't you just fix it?
Well, because that's not what we do here. I'll help you see where the problems are so that you can fix it. All right?
Okay.
Okay. So, go ahead and start reading right there.
I'm a slow reader. Can't you read?
No, I want you to go ahead and do it.
Conventionally, all mothers are full-time homemakers and only do other work in or near their home so that their child will never out of sight.
Okay. Do you see a problem there?
If I knew what was wrong with the paper, I wouldn't be here.
All right. Let's take a look at the end of the sentence. That their child will never out of sight. What's the problem?
A word's missing?
It is. What word is it?
Their child will never be out of sight?
Write it down.
We're wasting time. Can we go through the paper faster, or can I get additional time?
Well, no, you can't get additional time. But what we're going to do is show you how to find these mistakes so that you don't need me to finish the paper with you. You'll be able to do it on your own. All right. Keep reading. Comes next.
But around 7 decades ago, women, including mothers in European countries, entered the workforce together with men.
Yeah, I heard you slow down there. Is there a problem?
Entered the workforce.
What's the problem there?
Started? Do I need start?
What if you just marked it out? What does that say?
Oh, okay. European countries entered the workforce together with men.
Good. Okay. Keep going.
Today, due to the high living cost, especially in big cities, it is common to see mother working,
Okay.
whether as teachers.
Do you see a problem there? It's common to see what?
To see mothers
Mothers. Good.
working, whether as teachers, doctors, or even engineers.
Well done. Look, you're doing a really good job. You generally, when we stop and look at these things, you find them on your own. So what you're doing here is proofreading, and you're going to be able to do it yourself from now on, and that will make this go a lot faster. Okay?
Okay.